These quad-door refrigerators also feature Haier's trademarked antibacterial treatment, also known as ABT. This treatment helps to neutralize bacteria within the fridge. Air is circulated through an advanced antibacterial filter that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, helping to ensure a fresh and hygienic storage environment for your food. In these fridges, an electronic module in the airflow ducts of the refrigeration system electrolyzes all passing air, killing 99.9% of bacteria such as E. coli, Listeria and Salmonella. Because the filtration is done electronically, there is no need to replace anything and no consumable parts.